Spinner's passive in-building wireless solutions. They deliver maximum mobile coverage in buildings at minimal costs.
Achieve excellent mobile reception both inside buildings and across large areas. Our passive in-building technology requires no power supply or maintenance. Spinner offers the full range of wireless in-building products: jumpers and cables, combiners, splitters and tappers, and in-building antennas. Our passive systems can cover large areas and handle high traffic volumes, providing maximum coverage at minimal cost.
Our in-building solutions have been installed in over 1,500 projects worldwide. For example, consider the Elbphilharmonie Concert Hall in Hamburg. With the Spinner MNCS, we ensure seamless mobile connectivity, and we have recently enhanced the system to support 5G.
The Circle Line in Singapore, a Spinner mobile network combining system, ensures that all passengers are reliably connected with the best network quality during their ride.
The Omniturm, a 46-story office and residential building in Frankfurt, is equipped with a state-of-the-art passive DAS system from Spinner.
The iconic Gardens by the Bay in Singapore, a vast park that boasts the world's largest greenhouse, is equipped with the reliable Spinner MNCS.
The Olympic Stadium in Berlin has been equipped with our passive Spinner MNCS system, ensuring mobile reception for over 74,000 fans. We've recently upgraded the arena to 5G.
The Stockholm Metro, equipped with a Spinner mobile network combining system, ensures that all passengers experience reliable connectivity.
At Frankfurt Airport, one of the largest airports in Europe, we have installed a Spinner MNCS, ensuring passengers are reliably connected with the highest network quality.
At the BMW Welt in Munich, a passive Spinner MNCS system delivers seamless mobile connectivity within BMW's dedicated experience and delivery center. We've recently upgraded the venue to 5G. For more information, please visit our website and discover more.